Hi friends, it's another video in codeSpark. Today we're going to be learning how to make a platform game. It says it right here. So let's learn. And I can do anyone. Just comment below which one you want to do. I would like to do this one, which is very fun. Bouncy castle. That's just a video that I can show you. So it has its steps, but some of us doesn't know how to follow these steps. So right now I'm going to be teaching you how to do these steps. So it wants that block. Where is it? Oh, it's right here. So you just
change it to spring.
And you have to press go, which makes it like these. And you say yeah after that. Now it's going to give you the game program and how you want to design it. So we're going to take this block and follow the question marks. So I'll call these mystery boxes. These are going to be the mystery boxes. And now let's use a gem. We are going to use a green gem. Behind and skip one question mark, or should I say mystery box. So now we're going to use these red balls, 3 of them, and let's continue our build. We're just going to keep doing this. Okay. Alright, I put one right there. That's my fault. Where isn't the gems? There's so much gems that I can't find my gems. You just place it wherever it tells you. So right there. And then right. Did I miss something or something? Oh, I forgot a star. You cannot forget a star. Your game will never end. I think this is how you do it. Wow, bubbles. You can share it. Anything. So this is Bouncy House.